Hi, my name is Isabella Carlson, and today we're going to talk about supercomputers for the future. More specifically, the IBM Watson and how it's affecting our everyday life now, and how it will affect our everyday life in the future. The IBM Watson is a supercomputer that was constructed to analyze data in order to create rational responses. It was built with software that aids in answering questions through deep-level input analysis. It was not created to mimic the human brain or to create something that resembles it, but rather to make a computer that thought rationally and understood the natural language of humans, unlike any other computer before it. The IBM Watson was revealed in 2010, but actually won the 2011 Jeopardy against two of the longest-standing winners. The Watson uses data and analytics of natural language to find value in syntax in written works. Its cognitive and analytic analysis is how it can answer natural human questions using our natural language. It also has special applications for cybersecurity, which is another key point to using this software. It is also a supercomputer that continues to gain more data and create connections with as many pieces of information as it allows, and it creates answers to cognitive questions unlike any other machine or computer before it. Now, Watson's already assisting in our healthcare fields. It's providing a secure database to store countless academic journals and research studies. It's highlighting connections between keywords and meanings, making it easier for the medical field to store records and trace connections between symptoms of already identified illnesses and those who have ailments that are similar. It ensures that all doctors that use it remain up to date on the latest findings in research and possible treatments for their patients. Eventually, it will hopefully create a healthcare field that is more accessible to everyday individuals rather than just those who specifically work in the healthcare field. Watson's in business. Today, over 1 million users use Watson at their place of employment. About 70% of global banking institutions rely on the supercomputer program. It can produce predictions, statistical analysis, and even assess risks for businesses. Assisting employees by answering the simpler and common questions allows them more time to go ahead and work on the complex issues within the business. The Watson supercomputer is able to be used in security, retail, and even marketing. Now, all supercomputers still have limits. Currently, the Watson IBM was limited to the English language, an increase in data with limited resources. It's struggling to maintain an up-to-date feature that allows it to continually answer cognitive questions with the latest research due to the need for maintenance continuously. And the integration and adaptation time for employees can cause a little rift for some workplaces. Now, concerns and conversing with computers. Today, here are some of the most common concerns that we have with the Watson IBM. It's reliant on data that is provided to create answers. This data can sometimes be biased, incorrect, or statistically wrong, completely dependent on those who are writing and producing the written pieces that it's consuming. It requires a large amount of information to remain up to date, and its lack of understanding, training, and trust by employees can cause misuse. Last but certainly not least is its dependency, leading to lack of effort in research. especially in the healthcare field, where many individuals are concerned that the Watson IBM will lead to those in the healthcare field beginning to lose their interest and create less studies and less research due to a computer being able to provide them a lot of their answers with a click of a button. Now, the Watson IBM is an amazing supercomputer that has so much potential. Many individuals may be concerned with its risks, but it has been proven to assist and answer some very wonderful questions over the last decade. It has a very bright future, and although many individuals may still be skeptical, supercomputers are going to be our future, and it is wonderful to see how the Watson IBM is leading the way today.